Hello everybody. In this clip I want to quickly give a revision of the concept of mole, and no, I am not talking about the gentleman in black velvet who lives in our gardens and is commonly known as Talpa europea, the common European garden mole. The mole that I am talking about has been introduced in 1811 by the Italian scientist Avogadro, and he proposed that there should be a certain number of particles, in this case in a gas, that is sort of standardized. And in 2019 there has been a redefinition of the mole, and this redefinition of the mole actually says that 1 mole is defined as 6.022140076 times 10 to the power of 23 elementary entities. So this could be atoms, this could be molecules, this could be whatever you basically want. So what does this actually mean? It just simply means that this number here, which is a really big number, is nothing else but a number of counts of these particles. And a lot of people start to hyperventilate when they see this number or when they hear about moles, but conceptually it is not any different to, let's say, if we talk about a pair. Everybody knows what a pair is. Pair of shoes, it's 2. Or if you have a dozen, everybody knows that a dozen is 12. And a mole is just another word, which in this case means a very large number of exactly 6.022140076 times 10 to the 23. There's nothing horrible or mysterious about it, and we will use it very, very frequently. Of course, very often we are not dealing with 1 mole. We will use lower fractions of moles. So we would very often talk about 1 millimole, which of course we know that milli stands for 1 times 10 to the minus 3 mole. So in this case it would be 6.022 times 10 to the 23 particles, that's the mole, times 1 times 10 to the minus 3, that's the milli, and that would give us 6.022 times 10 to the 20 particles in this case. So that would be the definition of a millimole. And of course we can do micromole and anything smaller, nanomole, picomole, and so on and so forth. So I hope this makes sense, and when you see mole, don't be scared of it. It is just a number like pair or dozen.